Hello, what's up? This is me again, and today I decided to make a tote bag. Tote. I don't really know the right pronunciation, so I want to make this bag for my family members because I noticed they actually need it. Some of them need it for their flags, for their food flags, and my mom need it for shopping. So I decided to make this bag for them. It's convenient. It's better than the nylon bags they usually carry. So it wasn't really easy again doing this at home because I don't like the sewing machine, but I saw a lot of fabric fabric scrap there. So I decided to make it. Kato kept terrorizing me because he's just an attention whore and he cannot stand you not paying attention to him. But this is the bag I made for my mom. You can see it there. It's very nice. Some of them use it for food flags. The other people, my mom used it for shopping, and my sister-in-law used hers for packing her luggages. So it's something you can do for yourself. It's actually very simple, and I got the tutorial from YouTube, so you can Google it and find it very very simple to make. And that is all for now. See you soon. Bye bye. And oh yeah, please subscribe. We need to grow. Subscribe. See you soon.